Hey, good morning, Saginaw Bay fishermen, fisherwomen. This is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. You better start getting the boat ready and shifting your mind because the ice is going to be going fast, and also danger. Strong winds developing in the next couple of hours out of the southeast, then switching to the southwest, then switching to the northwest overnight. So let's start off with the winds. These are the wind gust forecasts off of a model I like in this situation. Winds are about 10 miles an hour off the bay, on the bay right now out of the southeast, and this is at 8 o'clock in the morning. But look, as we go to 11 o'clock, the winds gusts picking up already to about 40 miles an hour, and noon wind gusts 40 miles an hour out of the southeast. And then as we go to the afternoon hours and evening, 5 o'clock, the wind's back to the west and then back to the northwest overnight, and still pretty strong by morning, still gusting 25 to 30 miles an hour, but then dying off as we go. All right, precipitation, not a whole lot. Maybe a few rain showers today, a few rain showers tonight, and then much colder tomorrow, but it's all lake effect snow on the west side of the state, so we don't look for any real snow accumulation on the bay. Bigger picture, we're going to start to get into our March storm systems, which means swirling winds, means, east winds for 6 hours, going to south for 6 hours, going to southwest to west, or maybe to northeast. And that's what's causing this wind situation today, this Alberta Clipper. So it turns around to a north wind tomorrow, and the winds lighten up on Sunday with much colder temperatures, by the way, overnight, down into the teens. On Saturday in the teens, and Sunday down in the teens and single digits. And then early next week, pretty dry until a large storm system comes in on Wednesday, depending on the track. Right now, it appears to be more rain than snow, but this would also be a swirling wind changing over to a wind-driven snow late Wednesday into Thursday and off toward the northeast. One last thing, temperatures are going to show you that the ice is going to have a tough time because we're going to be near 50 today. Tomorrow, highs only in the mid-20s. Sunday, highs in the mid-20s, lows in the teens. So, I don't know if that gets the slush and hardens it up. It probably would, I would think. But you've also got the big picture of the ice shield diminishing. 40 on Monday, maybe near 50 on Tuesday. Wednesday, it depends on the track of that storm. If it inches back to the northwest 50 miles, we could be 55 degrees on Wednesday. If it inches south, we could stay 34-ish. And then it does appear that we'll have, some cold days, but also, looking behind the storm on Thursday, a high of 28, the next day, high of 45. What does that tell me? That tells me the ice is going to have a really tough time holding together here over the next week or so. So I guess you shift your focus to getting the boat ready, right? As soon as there's open water, you do what you need to do to stay safe. But I just want to warn you that it's a switching strong wind situation today. Any open water, everything can shift around. So I personally would not be out there, but you make that call for you, and I just give you the weather. This is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.